The family of former Zambian President Edgar Lungu has won a major legal victory in South Africa, so Supreme Court of Appeal ruled that his remains will stay in South Africa for burial, ending a long and emotional cross-border dispute. Bizarapita mashuku kubuda panguva ino tiona kuti the Lungu family finally has won the court dispute. Pationa kuti panguva ino Edgar Lungu achitisiya achishaika muna 2025 muna June. Panguva ino tikunoti abva kuloka another year muna June 2026 asati avigiwa Edgar Lungu. Sadapita mashuku anomudanyi kwa panguva ino chinzi Lungu family wins. Court blocks the Zambia's bid as ex-president to be buried in South Africa. To the boys, subscribe or like on the bell icon. In a judgment delivered on Tuesday, 23 June 2026, the court overturned an earlier Gauteng High Court ruling that it authorized the Zambian government to repatriate Lungu's body for a state funeral and burial in Lusaka. Lungu died in June 2025 while receiving medical treatment in Pretoria. His family insisted that he had wished to be buried privately in South Africa, while the Zambian government argued he deserved a state burial in his homeland. The appeal court found that the government had no legal authority to override the family's decision and confirmed that no binding agreement existed giving it control over the late president's remains. Family spokesperson Makebi Zulu welcomed the ruling, saying Lungu's final wishes would now be honored with a dignified burial in South Africa. The Zambian government has accepted the judgment and confirmed it will not pursue any further abuse, bringing the year-long legal battle to a close. Toma developments aruda pangwa penako social media of age more to be on the page to page. So subscribe or like, on the bell icon.